Good morning, everybody. I am back with a different topic today. The topic is anatomic therapy for kids. You might be wondering, anatomic therapy for kids means is it applicable only for the kids or not? I will explain about anatomic therapy. Okay, anatomic therapy is the one concept or the treatment way founded by Hewlett Packard, and he used to create awareness um, by explaining all the root cause for the diseases and how we can overcome those diseases naturally without using any medicines. Okay. Now, that is applicable for everyone, but I just wanted to change the topic, I'm like explain it specific to the kids' perspective, so that kids also can understand it, so they can try to apply into their lives immediately. Okay, so before going to the topic, I will tell one story. Okay, in one city, one father is there and he has one daughter. She is around, we can say, 4 to 5 years old. And when they went outside in the two wheeler, she was asking many questions as usual, like other kids. She was asking, "What is this? What is that bus? What is this road? Everything." And on that road, she found one separate road also, small road. So she was asking her father, "Daddy, this is for what?" Then her father told that this is for the cycle. Only for the cycle they have to use it. Then she understood it. Now after couple of weeks, when they went through that same road and there was little traffic, so father chose to take that cycle way because there was no cycle. So he went through that way. Then suddenly his daughter shouting, "Father, you have to go in that way, not in this way. This is for cycle." Then her father realized that he's knowing he knew that he was doing mistake, but as already other people are going through that way, and due to the traffic, he chose this way. But in front of his daughter, he don't want to cross the road because when we teach our kids good and bad things, we teach the important thing like follow the traffic rules. So in front of his daughter, if he is violating the traffic rule, then so the same habit will go to her also. So to avoid it, then he told, "Okay, I'm sorry, I will go to the normal road." Then he went through that. Okay. Now the reason, if you see, once we educate our kids properly, then our society will be very pure. We can make the next generation as very purest one, and they will take the responsibility to correct their parents itself. Even though parents are corrupted, if the kids are very honest and they are very strong in the in that, then they can change their parents also. Okay. The in this story, the father is not known as except known as Batni, and it was my daughter. She was shouting at me that I was going on that road. I realized it. So the same like that. If we can teach or train the kids for the good things, then they will take care of to bring it to the parents level also. Instead of parents giving instruction to the kids, if the kids knows the concept, they can educate their parents. Okay. So that was the reason I have come up with this idea to explain the anatomic therapy in the story form. Okay. So before going to the topic, I will tell one story. There was a very big party hall that can accommodate approximately, you can say, 10,000 people. So that will be almost 10, 20 times bigger than the regular marriage hall. And as it is very big, it has a lot of people working, many people are working in that hall, that hall, and one manager was responsible for everything, and there are a lot of people working on this in this on the different role, and we can take the owner of the marriage hall is Rajesh. His name is Rajesh. Okay. And after some days, there was some problem in the bathroom. So he called the manager immediately. The manager came. He was asking the manager what is the problem in the bathroom. He told there is a problem with the employees. They are not doing the job properly. So I needed 2 times to get this problem sorted. The owner was thinking 2 days is too much for this silly problem. Then he talked with his one of his friend. He was also having similar marriage girl. So he told he was giving some advice that you recruit one supervisor to manage all the bathroom related problems, so it will be very smooth. Then he recruited one supervisor. He took a complete responsible of the maintaining the bathroom related work. So as the supervisor come into picture, he was scheduling all the work. Like one person should go and clean, one person should spray the liquid or something, another person should go and wash, something like this. So once the supervisor comes into picture, the employees, they were not sure that what kind of work they are doing. Just that they were following the instruction what the supervisor was giving to them. So now once the supervisor started his work, the work was smooth. There was no blocker, nothing. So the owner was happy. So after few months, there was a problem in the kitchen, and now the owner is aware that the manager is not doing his job properly, so he recruited another supervisor to take care of the kitchen related maintenance. Now again the kitchen is smooth, kitchen related work, there was no noise coming. Now after that there was some electricity related work that got problem, and again another supervisor came into picture. Earlier, out of 1 lakh revenue, 50,000 rupees he got a profit. That means almost 50% profit he got. After he recruited 3 supervisors, he realized that the profit have gone down very low. Now 80% gone to the regular expenses including the salary, and 20,000 only came as a profit. So he was wondering now how I can improve the profit. Now there is no problem in any of the department because supervisor is managing everything smooth. So he thought now the problem is not there, so I will stop the supervisor, so I can get the more profit. Then he stopped one supervisor in the bathroom. Then on the next day there were a lot of problems came, and it was very huge problem. Then owner afraid and he called back the supervisor. He asked him to continue the work. Then it became normal. So similarly, so now he is afraid of removing the supervisor, and he is not getting enough profit also by doing this business. So he was afraid of it, what to do. He did not have any solution. So he came across some person. He was telling about one guru. We can take the guru name is Bhaskar, and the Bhaskar helped one marriage hall owner to sort out his problems, and now the marriage hall was running smoothly without any supervisor. Then he called. He talked to Bhaskar, and Bhaskar told okay, I will come tomorrow to your hall. And the next day, once he come, he was talking to the owner, what is the problem? And he told the manager was not doing his duty properly, so he was complaining, a lot of complaints on the manager. and you are saying that because of supervisor I am able to do my business well, but my profit is going somewhere. Then Bhaskar was asking to the owner, okay, you are complaining about the manager, and can I talk to him? Then he called the manager. Once manager arrived, he was asking the manager, "Are you aware of the problems going on now?" He told, "Yes, we had a problem in the bathroom and kitchen in the electrical, and owner has recruited the supervisors to maintain that." Then Bhaskar was asking, "Do you know the real reason for the problem?" Owner is saying that this is because you are not doing your job properly. Then manager was saying that no, I will not agree to that because my job is to get the work done by the people, and the owner's job is to recruit the correct person suitable to the work and give the basic training about the work being happened in across the different areas. But owner did not filter anyone. Whoever is interested, he was recruiting them, and there was no training given to them. So the problem happened. Still, I was ready to take the responsibility. I was asking couple of days to give the training to those new joinees. But the owner was not agreeing for the 2 days. Then he started recruiting the supervisor. So this is the problem. Then Bhaskar was asking, okay, then asking to the owner that it's a problem with your side. I don't see any problem at the manager's side. So you have not selected the correct person to the job, and you have not given the basic trainings to this person. So then he thought, okay, okay, from tomorrow onwards, I will select the correct person. I will do the interview properly, and I will give the basic training about the work so they can do it well. And from tomorrow onwards, I will start the supervisor itself. Then Bhaskar was saying, wait, don't hurry. Now, all the 100% of the people are working under supervisor. They don't know what they are doing. What are the instruction given by the supervisor, they are following it. So they don't know the real work they are supposed to do. So now you start recruit the people from tomorrow, and after 1 month there will be some people, maybe 30% of people know they know what kind of work they have to do, and the remaining doesn't know it much. So now you can take, like, instead of asking supervisors to work for 8 hours per day, you can ask them to work for 4 hours. So you can give half salary to them. Then after 1 month, you continue the process, the recruitment training. You should never stop it. And after 2 months, the ratio of the correct candidates will be more. Then you can reduce the supervisor's working hours to 2 hours. So there will be no damage to the work. And after 3 to 4 months, you can stop the supervisors completely, and the manager will take the complete responsibility. So you don't need to worry about it. But your side, you should make sure that the recruitment is following properly and the training is also being happening. Then now the owner understood the logic behind it, and he accepted it. And after 4 months, he stopped all the supervisors, and he was running business very well, and he was very happy with that. With that, the story end. Okay. Now you may be wondering how this is related to that anatomic treatment. And I explained the anatomic treatment only in the different way in the story form. Now I will tell you the relative terms. What I have told the marriage god, that is you, and the manager. Manager is your body, like your body has its own knowledge. It's not your knowledge. Your knowledge is how to eat something, which is you. Which is your knowledge. how to digest the food, how to extract the nutrients from the food. That is not coming under your knowledge. That is the knowledge of your body. So the body, the manager is body's knowledge. So it has all the techniques how to maintain our body, how to clean, how to digest everything. And the problem, first problem happened in the bathroom. That you can think of blood pressure. Once blood pressure is increasing or decreasing, that could be due to some valid reason. And without understanding the reason, if you are not respecting your body and if you have started taking the medicine, that is like recruiting the supervisor. Once you recruited the supervisor, you can never come out of the supervisor. Without them, you cannot learn it. Because as per the allopathy, until death, you have to follow it. So the same like that for BP, if you are taking any tablet, you have to continue. Same the next second department we can take as diabetes. For diabetes also it cannot be cured. You have to take the tablet continuously. That is recruiting the supervisor. And after some time, thyroid problem. So for this also, this is not curable. You have to take the medicine completely. So now the anatomic therapy comes into picture. The recruitment and training. So only with the help of recruitment and training, you are able to stop all the supervisors, right? So same like that. In the anatomic therapy also there are some few techniques similar to the training and recruitment. If you follow it regularly, you can stop all your medicines after quite some time, maybe 2-3 months, based on how much effectively you are following all those techniques. Okay. Uh, we will see what are those techniques. First, food. Food recruitment. Recruitment means you have to select the correct candidate. Same like this in the food, we have to choose the correct food. What is correct food? What is not correct food? Incorrect food. Incorrect food is all packed foods, biscuits, snacks, packed snacks, everything, noodles, everything are kind of bad food. These are not good. So we have to avoid all those packed items, including the sugar, white sugar, packet salt, refined oil, and packet milk, everything we have to stop. These are not good for the body. And you have to take the uh, sprouts, vegetables, fruits, home cooked food. These are the good people for the recruitment. So this is related to the recruitment. Now training. For the food, while eating the food, you should not drink any water before 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, during the food also. And if you want to take water, maybe you can take little bit. And if you are taking it already regularly, you can reduce it slowly so that you don't feel difficulty to stop it. And you should sit down in the floor and eat it. You should not eat while standing or sitting on a chair or sofa. So you have to sit down on the floor and eat it. And you have to eat it with the hand only. While eating, you should not watch TV, mobile, books, nothing. You should focus on the plate only, and you should chew the food by closing your mouth slowly and then swallow it. You should not swallow the food without chewing it. These are the basic techniques for the food. Second is for the water. Water you should not drink the filtered, mineral, or purified boiled water, because all those water doesn't have the prana shakti. So you should take the plain water. You can filter it through the natural way. Natural ways are keeping the water in the mud pot or copper utensil is the natural way to purify the water. So you can take the water like that, and whenever you are thirsty, you can take the water. If you are not thirsty, you should not drink the water. You have to drink water by sipping it slowly. You should not drink very fast. Okay, and The next one is air. Air pollution outside the house, which we cannot control immediately, but inside the house we can control. Two things. First thing, we should not use any mosquito coil or liquid. Instead, we can use the mosquito net to escape from the mosquitoes. And second, you while sleeping, you should ensure that there is enough ventilation, that old air goes out of the room and new air comes into the room. So this is the ventilation. So you should ensure it so that the air inside our bedroom while sleeping is purified regularly. And if you are using any AC while sleeping, so make sure that you are keeping the AC temperature similar to your body normal temperature, so that your is not spending energy to bring your body temperature to the average level. Okay. And that fourth one is the sleep. While you have to take the dinner at maybe around 9 o'clock, 8 to 9 o'clock, and go to sleep 9 to 10 o'clock. The main reason, the night 11 to morning 3 o'clock, the time is for the liver. What liver does is nothing but purifying the blood. What are the chemicals are there in the blood, it will be purified by the liver during that hours. So that will be more efficient if we are allocating the completely to that. So for that you have to go to the deep sleep, and your body should not spend much time on the digestion. So you should take the dinner at around 8 to 9 o'clock, and it should be very light food, not the hard food, and you should take only maybe 75% full of your stomach, not 100% full. So by around 11 o'clock, by 10 o'clock if you are sleeping, next 1 hour you may take to go to the deep sleep. In the meantime, your body also will be able to digest your food, so that it will be able to do focus on the liver after 11 o'clock. So that is important for the sleep. Now, fifth one is the mind. For mind, depression, anxiety, there are many problems related to the mind. So we have to follow the various meditation techniques to come out of them. So I have explained all these things at very high level. Maybe I have covered only 5% of anatomic therapy only, but it is very vast area. What I recommend, I will give you the website address of anatomic therapy. There will be free videos available in multiple languages: English, Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, Malayalam, Malay, in Chinese also we have. So many languages we have. So whatever the language you are preferring, you can watch it. And there will be books also available in multiple languages, free PDF books. So you can get them. If you need the printed book also available, just you can buy it through the online their website itself. And if you want to buy any specific language DVD also, you can buy it from that website itself. Okay. So what I recommend that you buy it and go through all those books and videos. And if you still have any doubt, you can contact them directly. And there will be different customer care numbers for different language. So as per your convenient language, you can contact them. If you have any doubts, you can contact me also. So I am happy to help you at any time. Okay. Thank you all.